Hi, my name is Casey, and I work at Innovative Technology here at the CSU-Pueblo campus. This is the start of a series of videos to help students get acclimated to the online side of their courses. So the program that CSU-Pueblo and many other institutions use is called Blackboard Learn. And basically it's an online tool that helps students stay informed about everything that their instructor needs them to know. So what can you do on Blackboard? Just scratching the surface here, but you can send an email directly to your instructor or other students through Blackboard. You can check if class is canceled, you can check your grades, check any course documents that your instructor has uploaded. There's endless possibilities of what you could really do on Blackboard, and we're hoping to get basically a video for every little thing that you could possibly need. So this video today will be talking about how to set and or change your password to log into Blackboard, and then it's going to take you through the process of logging into Blackboard. So let's get into it. We're on the CSU-Pueblo homepage basically, and all we need to do is click current students, and then to set your password you're going to go to password help. Now it'll take you to a page that looks like this, and basically all you'll really ever need to click on is reset your password, and it gives you reasons to do it. So when your e-account password expires, you can't access your Blackboard or your email, you forget your password, or you're a first-time user. So if you're an incoming freshman or incoming transfer student, you'll need to do that. The only reason that you need to change your password is if you know your current password, but it's something hard to remember or you don't really like it too much, so you want to change it to something easier to remember or something that you like or prefer more. But for today, we're going to click on Reset Password. Now this should take you to a screen that looks like this. You'll have to enter your PID, and if you don't know what that is or where to find it, it's on your student ID card. It's just at the bottom. It should be 6 numbers. And then you'll enter your birthday in this format, so month, day, and then year. You'll enter your first name, your legal last name, and then after you do that, you just click agree. So then it should take you to a page that looks like this or similar to this. If you're a first-time user, you'll have to set your security questions. So it'll drop down, it'll have a drop-down bar where you can select questions that you'd like to answer. Then you just answer them and then click continue. And then you should come to a page that looks like this, and this is the final step. So it has password rules here, and I'm sure you guys can read this. And then it'll have password restrictions, so like you can't have spaces and you can't have non-English characters. And then you'll just enter in here your new password and then enter in the same password. Click set password and then you should be good. So now I'm going to take you through the login process. So after you've set and or changed your password if you needed to, you go back to the home page of CSU-Pueblo and then click on current students again up at the top. And then it'll take you to this page, which this is basically all you'll ever need from the website. It has all of the important things that you need here. So this is the tool that we're talking about here, Blackboard. So just click on this and it'll take you to a login page. Now your username will always be your first initial, your middle initial, a period, followed by your full last name. Okay, so once you enter in that, then just go ahead and enter in your new password that you just set. And then we'll come over here and click login. So it'll take you to a page that looks like this. You can see your courses, announcements, all of this. And we're going to have a video that covers basically all of this information. So now if you don't, if you can't get into Blackboard and you've already reset your password and just for some reason it's not working, we do have an IT help desk on the first floor of the library. You can either drop in or give them a call and they'd be more than happy to help you figure out how to log into Blackboard in your email. So that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot from this video, and I hope to see you again. Bye!